another POV shoot. I got my Sony a7C with my 50mm. It's kind of my go-to. Although this 50mm has been unreliable to autofocus, so I need to probably upgrade that eventually. But for now, this is what we got. Settings are all over the place from last time I took photos. It was like pretty dark out.
Walk around, you guys?
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh. Like it's just straight up not finding it. Yeah, I was hoping the tree would give it more shade to get rid of like the harsh reflections, but I think it's not really helping.
No.
Could try, I guess, yeah. Yeah, we could try turning around. You can turn around right here. We could try that. This is a cooler view actually too, because it's like more ominous, the background, I guess. Dodge bugs.
Yep.
Here we have a wild Subaru in the forest. What's that? On your hood? Oh, I don't know, your shoes might be a bit dirty today though.
I wore my socks last time. There's like no gas stations.
Oh really?
No way.
There was not one, but it was on the wrong side of the road though. Yeah, the front wheel shots always look so cool.
Yeah. There's a Chevron 3 minutes away. Yeah, I love those shots.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching. That's it for this shoot. I really like how these photos turned out, and before anyone says anything, yes, I know it's in a cemetery, but it's being very respectful, not stepping on graves. Trust me, don't want any of that bad mojo. But it does kind of oddly go on theme with the car. This is Casper the STI, which is a ghost-themed car, so it's kind of on brand, weirdly enough. But I really like how these photos turned out. The moody vibe is pretty cool. I'm a big fan of it. I made up the edit as I was going. This wasn't like a random preset. And I really like how they turned out. So let me know down below what you guys think in the comments. I really like them. And if you want to check out more of this car, because it's a pretty sick car, go check him out. I'll have him linked down below. Throw him some love on his Instagram. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye.